My name is Suraj Singh. I live in Mumbai. I have been working in Aditya Birla Group from last 13 years. I live with my family, my wife Neetu, my son Anurag, and my daughter Bhavna. Because of my background in Six Sigma and data analytics, this is very natural for me to learn artificial intelligence and machine learning. So I started looking at what kind of AI/ML programs are at offer, and I explored a lot of programs. I went through the syllabus of all those programs which are being currently given, and I found that BITS Pilani actually is most comprehensive and in-depth program in artificial intelligence and machine learning. So to start with, basically this program requires a lot of foundational knowledge in mathematics and in other areas as well. It is very helpful actually to start the program with a Python module itself, and sometime there was apprehension as well that whether I will be able to do it or not. So but we found that the material was very good. Material was given beforehand. Also it was very disciplined progression. Month by month you are going through new material, and the kind of references that you get there. The video lectures are wonderful lectures. One of the faculty member, Chetna Gawankar, she was wonderful, basically a gem, I will say that, because she was taking so much effort to explain things in a way that is very natural. She has the capability to make very tough topics very easy to understand, because I think her understanding itself is very in-depth. So that's the reason she is able to come to our level of understanding and explain things very well. So as a part of the certification program, we had to do a capstone project, which was a team project basically. So there were some choices, and we were very sure that we want to do it in natural language processing, NLP basically. Each subject has assignments as well as case studies during the lectures itself. So it is very practical, means we are learning some theory as well as we are applying that theory in a actual problem. So this is a quite well designed program basically. It has the traditional machine learning methods as well as the newer methods like unsupervised learning and text mining as well as deep learning. And the program has been well designed that you learn first the traditional machine learning, and in the second half you learn these new methods which are very, very powerful, but they are dependent on the simpler method itself. Means you need to understand that to do this. Actually this learning I started from zero, and I can tell you that I have actually come to a very good level where I can apply it into the production process itself. And I had this opportunity couple of weeks back itself to develop a machine learning model, and I used logistic regression method. So that was an application for me, and also my confidence has actually grown. This model is already being used and people have are very appreciative. This program is actually would not be possible without BITS wonderful support. I'm very happy that I have chosen them because I have got very good support as well as hand holding in applying these concepts in the production process itself. And the journey was very, very pleasant. I actually enjoyed it, and it was fulfilling my intellectual curiosity as well. So that's the reason that I enjoyed this course, and it is completely aligned to what I intend to achieve in my role itself, and also aligned with the business goals. And I will suggest that whoever has the data analytics orientation should take this next step of doing artificial intelligence and machine learning course, because the deep learning is becoming very, very important now, and after a couple of years the production processes will completely change. It will use these superior methods, and because they are able to get the process representation in a very good way, better way. So they must think about joining this course. It is a wonderful course that I can say.